Hello, English teachers of Estonia. This is David, and since I posted this book on the Facebook group a couple weeks ago, I've been wanting to go through it, and I figured if I'm going through it, I would share what I have learned or am learning with you all. So this is the Monster Book of language teaching activities, and it's called Monster Book because there are these cute monsters throughout the book, but also it's nearly a 300-page book with 150 language teaching activities, so it's monster in size as well. So let's kind of go through some of it. Basically, I'd like to make videos of the activities found throughout, but this video will just kind of be a general introduction to what is the book and what you can find in it. And then I'd like to make short videos in the future, just kind of going through maybe some of my favorites. Like I said, there's 150 of them, so I probably won't be able to do all of them. One nice thing about this book, they've put it under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 license, and you can look and find out what that means specifically. But in general, it means that you can copy, you can adapt, change, print anything that you use from this book without having to worry about copyright issues, as long as you give credit. So this book is presented by American English and the Office of English Language Programs. You have an introduction here talking about the purpose of the book and what you'll find in the book. But today I'm just going to go through the table of contents real quick. So there are 16 sections in this book: lead-ins, listening, music, speaking, storytelling, drama, reading, vocabulary, writing, critical thinking, games, interactive activities, pictures, large classes, culture, and scaffolding. We'll scroll back up to the top. And so the way that they are presented, so you have these sections, and each section is introduced with sort of what is, for example, in this case, what is a lead-in? And then you have all of these different activities, each designated with a page number, and then all this information on the side, which you can see what each of these pictures mean. So beginner, this is the levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And you can see the number of books will tell you the level appropriate for this activity, or whether it's adaptable to all the levels. Listening, speaking, reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary, critical thinking, whether or not it involves physical actions, tactile, whether or not it involves touch. So let's look at, for example, the first lead-in, corner name tense. This is an activity that is appropriate for beginner, intermediate, through advanced. It involves listening, speaking, reading, and writing, although the writing is less strong, so maybe there's less writing. There is grammar involved, vocabulary, but not critical thinking, kinesthetic, or tactile. And since this is a digital book, if you click on one of the activities, it'll take you directly to that section. And each activity is usually about just 1 page long to read through. And these are meant to be activities where you insert your own content. They're template activities, so insert your own content. This is just an idea how to use something, but you have an introduction, when to use it, the levels, skills, and type of practice, materials you'll need, preparation time, activity time, and other, the preparation and introduction to what you'll need to do in advance, step-by-step of the procedures, and variations, ways that you might change or adapt it to your own context. So that's kind of this book in a nutshell, and what I'd like to do is go through it and find some of the ones that I like or used or have never heard of, and maybe make a couple-minute video just introducing a specific activity, and then we can talk about it in the group. All right, talk to you later. Bye.